The big miss on US jobs data, rising expectations of a rate cut from the Federal Reserve next month, the unwinding of yen carry trades, all of these global events are going to weigh on the minds of the MPC members. But as the governor insists, it is domestic cues that are going to guide the RBI. The focus this time around is going to be on inflation commentary, with food inflation reigning at a 6-month high, as well as around the recent regulatory guidelines, specifically on the liquidity coverage ratio, whether there is any rethink at all, the scramble for deposits, the widening credit gap ratio, all of that are going to be focus areas. Now, according to our poll, 100% of the respondents expect no change on rates, given the persistent concerns around inflation on one hand and the continued comfort from growth on the other. The stance of the policy is also widely expected to be left unchanged at withdrawal of accommodation. Now, half the respondents to our poll expect RBI to signal a stance shift only by October and others even later. Our poll also says that the window for a rate cut may only open by December or maybe even early next year. Now, most of the respondents to our poll said they expect the total quantum of rate cuts in this cycle to be around 50 basis points, with a third even expecting a 75 basis point cut in total. But no change is expected on the average CPI forecast for this fiscal, at least in this policy, with RBI reiterating its commitment to get to that 4% CPI mark, and even the current growth forecast is unlikely to be tinkered with. Now, the governor's statement that the markets focus on, that is expected to be more or less even, no big change from last time. So a status quo policy for the 8th consecutive time with a split vote on action. And also keep in mind, this is also going to be the last meeting for the 3 external MPC members whose tenure comes to an end in September.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go.
Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.